Yo, what's up, party people? Heat shrink bullet connectors.
So today we are cutting and wiring a switch to a circuit breaker for our fridge in the van. It's not in there yet, our fridge, but it will be soon. So this switch I'm holding in my hand, we're making a little switch panel out of wood for it, and then we are going to connect the circuit breaker here in just a moment. This is actually one of the first switches we're doing. We're going to have another switch panel on the other side that's for our main light, a strip light that changes colors, our fan, our water pump, and an on and off switch for our whole electrical system. And there's a circuit breaker in the back, right by Jacob's thumb right now. Yeah. So circuit breaker, it breaks the circuit when an amperage exceeds normal operation, and instead of burning up the electrical part or melting the wires, the circuit breaker actually pops or breaks the connection, allowing no electricity to flow through the wires at all. So there you have it. Just drilling it down there, and it's all set.
First switch.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our channel, the Crossroads Travel Podcast. On the right-hand side of our channel, it provides links to our blog and website called A Man in the Van, our podcast, which is streaming on both Spotify and Apple, and our Instagram. So give those links a click to follow us on this epic journey. Thank you, and again, love you guys.